My name is Josh Obert, and I'm a GIS analyst with the ACPF National Hub. In this video, we're going to discuss the last utility provided by the ACPF Toolbox, Get U.S. Roads. The Get U.S. Roads tool allows ACPF users to add local roads data to the traditional ACPF HUC12 database structure. The tool will extract features from a Tiger U.S. Roads web service for primary, secondary, and local classified roads, and modify it to work within the ACPF processing framework for the selected watershed. These features may be used as constraining features in the Nutrient Removal Wetlands tool and the Farm Ponds tool. The roads data will be extracted to the boundaries of the Input Buffered Boundary feature class. Traditionally, this is the ACPF Buff feature class, which was established as a 1,000-meter buffer around the watershed boundary feature class. The ACPF Buff feature class is used to extract other core data in the ACPF watershed file geodatabases. In ArcGIS Pro, we will open the catalog window in the right side of the screen if it isn't already open by clicking the catalog tab. Expand our ACPF toolbox and expand utilities. Double-click on Get U.S. Roads. This tool needs one input and produces one result. The only input, as mentioned before, is our buffered boundary. Since it's in our map currently, we will add that as our input, and then we will receive an output of our roads feature class. Click Run to run the tool. The Get U.S. Roads tool has finished running, and our output of our roads feature class has been added to our map. Just by panning around, we can see where the roads are that are part of this feature class. And if we click on the Catalog tab, open folders, and go into our ACPF geodatabase, you should now see a feature class called Roads US and then our HUC12 ID. And so now this roads class can be used as the limiting factor for nutrient removal wetlands, farm ponds, or as other data that you can use in future analysis. To recap, we discussed how the ACPF Toolbox can assist with obtaining roads data to be used in future tools.